Hey, this is Dennis. I took the day off today and I've been out on Navarre Beach fishing pier all day, and just want to give you a shot of, they got like a little bird sanctuary here. I don't know the names of the birds, but I'm going to show them to you. That's where I was on the pier, back over that way. So before I leave the island, I wanted to give y'all a shot of this. These birds. It's real windy. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Uh-oh, I hope I ain't scaring that bird. I don't want to get too close. But, oh, I can tell it's got some babies there, so I'll back up. I don't want to get them messed up. But there's a whole bunch of them. And that one, he just came in, it must be the daddy. And I see the mama's got a couple chicks. So I'll back up. Earlier I saw, well, you can see those, I don't know if you call those paragliders or what. If I was younger, I wouldn't mind trying it. Bunch of birds there. Oh, there's a little baby there, right there. Much bigger. Alrighty, this is a shot of my little pier fishing buggy with all my stuff on it. And that's the side where the wind's coming from, and it's really rough out there. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna sign off. God bless y'all. Oh, I just kind of want to tell you this. I enjoyed the day. Enjoyed trying to walk and talk with God, and that's what it's all about. Being an attitude of prayer and praying and giving thanks for everything. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the truck here. I hope y'all hear all this. This has been windy. But like I said, I really enjoyed the day. I'll repeat it. I didn't know it was so windy y'all couldn't hear me, but enjoyed trying to just be at peace and walk with God, walk in fellowship with God. And I tried to be kind and pleasant to everybody I met on the pier, and tried to help some people out, spread some joy and God's love. Alrighty, well, God bless y'all. I'll give you one more look and then I'll call my wife back. Yeah, I can tell they got some babies out there. I was hoping those paragliders would come by and I'd get a shot of them. But it's really rough on that side. Alrighty, well, God bless y'all. This is Dennis signing off. Bye-bye.